In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable a Discord bot's commands in a channel. If you have a Discord bot that's being used too frequently in a specific channel, or you simply want to keep certain channels free from bot commands, Discord allows you to manage where bots can be used. Restricting bot commands to selected channels helps keep conversations organized and prevents unnecessary command spam. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable a bot's commands in a specific channel. To get started, open Discord and navigate to the server where the bot is installed. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage the server, such as administrator or manage channels, since you'll need access to the channel's permission settings. Next, locate the channel where you want to disable the bot's commands. Right-click on the channel name and select Edit Channel. This will open the channel's settings, where you can customize permissions and other options. In the channel settings, click the Permissions tab. This section lets you control what different members, roles, and apps are allowed to do within that specific channel. Scroll through the list until you find the bot whose commands you want to disable. If the bot doesn't appear immediately, look through the available roles or members until you locate it. Select the bot to view its channel-specific permissions. Now look for the permission called Use Application Commands. This permission controls whether the bot's /commands can be used in the selected channel. Change this permission to deny, then save your changes. Once the permission has been updated, members will no longer be able to use that bot's application commands in this particular channel. If the bot also responds to traditional text commands, such as commands that begin with a prefix, you may need to configure those restrictions within the bot's own settings or dashboard, since not all bots rely solely on Discord's application command permissions. After saving your changes, return to the channel and test one of the bot's commands. If everything has been configured correctly, the command should no longer work in that channel, while continuing to function normally in other channels where permission hasn't been restricted. If you ever want to allow the bot's commands again, simply return to the same permissions page, change the Use Application Commands permission back to its previous setting, and save your changes. That's all there is to it. Disabling a bot's commands in a specific Discord channel is a simple way to reduce clutter, organize your server, and control where bots can be used. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,